Top 6 Best Air Fryer for 2022 for healthier comfort food. Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best air fryer in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent air fryers, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Phillips HD9741/99. The Philips Airfryer is the only air fryer with fat removal technology that extracts and captures excess fat, more fat than other air fryer competitors. Now you can fry your favorite foods with little or no added oil and remove fat from food too. The result is delicious and healthier fried food, as crispy as deep fried with 90% less fat. The air fryer can do more than just fry. It also grills, roasts, bakes, reheats, dehydrates, and toasts, taking on the role of multiple kitchen appliances, even toaster ovens. With over 200 easy to make and inspiring dishes to try, the air fryer will become a one-stop solution for all of your meals. Philips Airfryer also creates less smell and splattering than conventional fryers. It is easy to clean, safe, and economical for your daily use. Number 2. Dash Compact. While most air fryer models have a 2 to 3 quart capacity, this model can only hold half that, making it ideal for cooking for one. Its tiny footprint also means it takes up less room on your counter and fits perfectly in a dorm room, RV, or a roll-on suitcase. You know, if you get that attached to it. And the smaller heating volume browned the fries, chicken, and cake we tested in it better than any other model. It has an auto shut-off function that helps prevent overcooking, and the excellent touch housing and handle make it safer to use. It's so simple, and even your kids can use it. The Dash Air Fryer is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper/RV traveling. Plus, its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Number 3. Ninja DZ201. The Ninja Foodie 2 Basket Air Fryer can put an end to squabbles over whether to serve French fries or chicken wings at dinner. It has 2 baskets in which you can cook 2 different items at the same time at different temperatures. The machine makes sure they're both ready simultaneously. You also have the option of only cooking in one basket or making a double batch of, let's say, chicken nuggets. No preheating is required, which eliminates one step in the cooking process. This is a well thought out machine and the settings are marked, but the multifunctionality can be confusing, and you will find yourself referring to the manual often at the beginning. However, once you get the hang of programming, it's easy to do, and this air fryer produces great results, particularly for chicken wings, Brussels sprouts, and breaded chicken. With its matte gray finish, the Ninja is good looking, but it will take up considerable countertop space at about the size of a small microwave. It is also heavy, so you won't want to be moving it in and out of a cabinet or closet often. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1. If you're looking for a powerful air fryer and insist on a dehydrate function, the Instant Vortex Plus is for you. Like our favorite Instant Vortex, the Plus model is designed with a roomy basket and a sleek exterior. The interface on the Instant Vortex Plus is also very user-friendly, with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. We found the dehydrate function perfectly dried fresh strawberries, and we could see it working well on other produce. The one downside of the model is the broil function, which is preset at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. We tested broiling mac and cheese, topped with extra cheese and breadcrumbs, and found that neither browned well. Number 5. COSORI. If you want a kitchen appliance that's as stylish as it is effective, then the COSORI Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside and succulent, juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake, while it also has a reminder to shake, which can be activated when setting the cooking time that will alert you halfway through cooking so you can turn the food to achieve an even crisp. Number 6. Cuisinart TOA-60BKS. We think the Cuisinart Airfryer toaster oven is the best air fryer if you want the functionality of several appliances in one package. In addition to air frying, it can crisp up bagels, roast a 4-pound chicken, and bake a 12-inch pizza. There's no preheating required, which adds to the cooking time but saves you a step. As it cooks, the Cuisinart is very quiet, so it won't prevent you from chatting in the kitchen or having a phone conversation. Unlike most air fryers, the Cuisinart isn't housed in plastic, and it's not shaped like a space capsule or giant egg. Instead, it's constructed of stainless steel and has a boxy design. Not only will it fit neatly on your countertop, but it will also actually look good. The controls aren't digital, which means they're very straightforward to operate. You simply set the well-marked dials. However, there are no pre-programmed settings, so you have to refer to the air frying temperatures and times manual. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.